She is going to learn to do construction today.
哎呀妈！没事吧？没事儿，给我放前面了。
Even hammering isn't easy.
你不会换个方向吗？你笨了！哎呀妈！
You have to be careful on the ladder.
哎，你瞅着点儿啊！哎，没事吧，师傅？我去拿钥匙。
Site work is very dangerous. She's exhausted.
一点点慢，往上呼不会呀。
He's exhausted.
你可别来了！为什么男人不能当女人？
So then,